Imagine earning money straight from your phone. No office, no boss, and absolutely no degree required. In this video, I'll show you 5 legit remote jobs you can start today, using just your smartphone. And trust me, job number 5 is something most people don't even know exists. Let's dive in. Job number 1. Online chat support. If you're good at texting and helping people, this one's perfect for you. Many companies hire chat agents to reply to customers, right from your phone. All you need is a stable internet connection. Try websites like Live World, The Chat Shop, or Mod Squad. Average pay? Around $15 to $25 per hour. Not bad for just chatting, right? Job number 2. A social media manager. Love scrolling through Instagram or TikTok? Why not get paid for it? Businesses hire people to manage their social pages, reply to comments, and schedule posts, all remotely. Start with Fiverr, Upwork, or Indeed. You can earn between $20 to $50 per hour, depending on the client and your creativity. Job number 3. Transcription jobs. If you've got good listening skills, this one's for you. You simply listen to short audio clips and type what you hear. No fancy setup needed, just your phone and a quiet place. Check out GoTranscript, Transcribe, or Rev. You can easily make $10 to $30 per hour. Job number 4. Voiceover work. Got a nice voice? Then this is your moneymaker. From YouTube videos to commercials, people are always looking for voice artists. You can record from your phone using apps like Dolby On or Easy Voice Recorder. Start on voices.com or Fiverr and earn anywhere from $50 to $200 per project. And finally, job number 5, AI prompt writing. This one's blowing up in 2025. Companies and creators are paying people to write creative prompts for AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Claude. You just write smart ideas. No coding, no degree, no stress. Start on Prompt-Base or Fiverr, and you can earn $25 to $100 per prompt. So there you have it, 5 remote jobs you can do right now, straight from your phone. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because I drop new online income ideas every single week.